Got a 4-pounder with a nice flat.
Working that one piece that took a lot of
So, unhappy with it. But I decided to use the Tig because I got this little contraption I'm trying to make, and I couldn't get the thing to arc weld. Then I tried this. Now keep in mind, I'm an idiot. I've learned a lot about welding in the last 3 years, but I don't know everything. I don't know anything. Well, I didn't know anything when I started. Very little. So I went through the settings, watched a couple of YouTube videos, put it on arc weld, AC or DC depending on the rod, flat line, 2 DC, crank up the amps, all that kind of stuff. I got nothing to happen. And in fact, let me show you. Now, it's not that I got nothing to happen, but what was happening, it wasn't like arc welding. What the hell's going to weld it? Alright, we'll throw this rod in. I don't know what it is for sure, but this is what I was getting. With the seam? Yeah, sure. I turned it up to 200 amp, I turned it down to 50 amp, and nothing was happening. And I was like, what the frick is going on? And there's got to be an explanation for it, because I didn't waste the $100. Well, I never expected to arc weld again, but again, my MIG died today. Life sucks. Bang, bang, crash, man, thank you, man. So, in going through all the settings that there are, this may not be the best quality video, but I'll tell you one thing: if you have my problem, you're gonna be glad you watched this video. Stick, AC, because I have AC rep, 2T, flatline, crank it all up, whatever, didn't happen. And what I found out is that I needed to remove this damn foot pedal that came with it. You can't see that. This foot pedal. Problem is, the foot pedal's been on for all this time. I can't get the damn thing off. And I'm sure I can if I really think about it, but I want to figure around with it right now. And because of that foot pedal is attached, in my opinion, this is just me trying to figure things out, you know what I mean? It wasn't working. But, watch this, bang, bang, crack. Because I'm too lazy to take the damn foot pedal or figure out why that foot pedal won't remove. That's the thing. Lost my wand. Where the hell is my wand? Bam, bam, thank you, man. Don't you wish you had a wand? There it is, right there. This is a crazy old hack. This is kind of crap. I'm pretty sad my MIG died today. It didn't really die. I just need to buy a new drive motor. But unfortunately, I don't have money for a drive motor. But watch this. Push the pedal down full. Got the thing cranked up to 122 amps or so. Push the pedal down full. And now all of a sudden it pretends at least try to weld. I'm not a stick welder, but it's welding. So there you go. Quick and dirty. Maybe it'll be a poor man's review. That damn AHP, in my experience right now, and you just saw it, right? Here we go. Let me do it again. Without the pedal. Nothing. Make sure that sticks where it needs to be. Just alright. Well, because I can't get the pedal removed, which I think the moral of the story is you want the pedal removed. Push the pedal down. Oops, my fault. And again, I'm not an expert, and go watch some more YouTube videos because there are some experts. That young dude that does all the welding, gosh, I forget his name, but he's all excited. He does a good job of explaining things. I bet you he could tell you why. But that's it. That foot pedal, if you can't get that thing off, I don't know why I put it on and it's always been on. Maybe it's just stuck. And as I'm unscrewing it, I think I'm unscrewing the inside housing rather than the outside attachment. So I don't want to mess with it. But to get around that, this is what I learned. You know? The world's a crazy place. Full pedal. And I got a weld now. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I didn't expect to do a video today, and it certainly isn't blacksmithing, but I would imagine that's worth something to somebody who spent some money on an AHP Tig. The little yellow thing over there. Tig and stick. Get rid of the pedal. At least the weld's kind of like a stick. I hate stick. Ciao. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a good day. If you found this video helpful, educational, maybe even if you just found it entertaining, and you want to support me, you can jump back to my channel. There's a button on the right hand side of the screen called support, and it's kind of like a tip jar. You can go ahead and leave channel a tip for this video, and that'll help me make some more, I guarantee. Thanks for your support as always.